Hi guys, welcome back to Spot our channel. Now I will give you tutorial how to delete Google Photos from your Google Photos application for Android. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Google Photos application that you have been to install it before. Click on. And after that, you choose the photos that you want to be deleted. You can click on the photos here, and there you can see there is a delete option in the below of the corner. In the right corner here, you can click delete. Okay, there you can see your delete is now about your delete permanently. The Google Photos you can remove from your Google account in the device and place you've shared within Google Photos. And after that, you can got it. And allow photos to move this photo to trash, you can allow it. Okay, and then your Google Photos is to be deleted now. You can see it's no more about your Google Photos and the photos the object for the delete. Okay, this is a tutorial how to delete Google Photos from the Google Photos for your Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.